Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts. I want to show you how to make a peppermint crisp tart. If you have any recipes you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make one of my favorite desserts, which is a peppermint crisp tart, you will need a peppermint crisp chocolate, grated finely. In a bowl with 1 tin of caramel, mix until smooth. Add in 250 ml of cream that has been whipped until stiff peaks formed. Mix until well combined. Layer a few tennis biscuits on the bottom of the dish. Add some of the caramel cream on top and spread it out. Sprinkle some of the grated peppermint crisp on top. Repeat the layers by adding a layer of tennis biscuits, topping with caramel cream, and sprinkling some peppermint crisp on top. Place this into the fridge to set up about 4 hours, but I generally leave it overnight. I really like this recipe. I found that the biscuits become soft and almost cake-like, since the biscuits absorb some of the moisture from the caramel cream. I hope you try to make this at home. It only has 4 ingredients, so it's really quick and easy to whip up in a few minutes.